Your subscribers. Today I will tell you how you can easily edit comment you add to someone post. So for example, here you can see my comment. So just choose comment you want to edit and just press on this comment and just wait. So just press on this comment and release your finger after. Sorry, I click on user. So you need to click on your message. So here you can see release your button and you will see all these options: edit comment, like, reply, delete comment. So just click on edit comment and now you can successfully edit your comment, for example from hi to hello, and just click here done and it will successfully, here you can see that it successfully added our comment and we add new comment successfully. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.